personally, I think for project managers, your chapter on stakeholders is worth the price of the book, just because there's, it can certainly help us with emails. We all know that, but that's an example of, hey, let me tell you about this stakeholder I have to meet with. This is how I think it might go, or what their concerns are, some history. Now, it can't sit across the table from them, right? It can't build trust, but that's an example of how AI can help with stakeholder management. Can you think of any other examples?
Yeah, I was going into a meeting with somebody who I know always pushes back, no matter what I say. And I find for myself that that wears on my patience, and I really wanted to have a better sort of frame of reference going into this. So I sat down with AI and I said, this is the conversation I'm going to have. This person always pushes back. Can you help me think through what might they be after that I'm missing? Right? Are they really thinking that, I'm not presenting my ideas in a way that's clear to them? Are they looking for something that I'm not giving them in the way that I am bringing the conversation? It was so useful, and it said something that was so obvious, but that in my frustration I wasn't getting to, which was they want to know what the thought process was and how you examined and analyzed the options to reach the conclusion that you are presenting them. And what I realized is I was often leading with, this is what I think we should do and this is why, which moves into the action, right, into the decision. But they wanted to spend more time in the problem solving. And in my research on problem solver profiles for my third book, what I realized is some of these decision archetypes really prefer spending a lot of time in problem solving, and some just want to spend time in decision making. And they want to do that for very different reasons. And that gave me a much greater appreciation for what this other person wanted, and a way to think about the pushback as an opportunity for me to actually bring them along. I was starting the conversation too late. They needed those conversations started earlier.
So good. See how different that is from like blaming them. Oh, they're just a fill in the blank, right? It's easy to write them off, but that's a good example of how to use AI in a very positive way.